Let me start the class 9 standard math topic set language. What is mean by a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Always set is a collection of some objects, but the definition told set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is mean by well-defined? I give one example. Collection of flowers in a garden is a set, but collection of beautiful flowers in a garden is not a set because the word beauty is difficult to define. I might consider the jasmine is a beautiful flower, but you may not. So, the collection of beautiful flowers in a garden is not a set. Some more examples are given. Collection of good books in a library, set of tall students in ninth standard are not well defined. So, it is not a set. Some examples of sets: a set of natural numbers, a set of vowels of the English alphabet, set of days of the week. These are defined. So, this is some examples of sets. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets. Always the elements of a set is written within a curly brackets. Next, a set represented in three ways. First one is descriptive form. Second one is set builder or rule form. Third one is roster form or tabular form. First one, descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabets, the set of whole numbers. These statements always start in the word the set of. These types of statements is called the descriptive form of a set. The second one, set builder or rule form. In a set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. For example, a set A contains x elements such that x is a prime number less than 10. The second one, a set B contains x elements that x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5. So all the elements are described by a rule. So this is set builder form. In third one, roster form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. For example, a set contains A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. The set B contains pen, pencil, chalk. This is some examples for the roster form. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.1. The first question is, which of the following are sets? The collection of prime numbers up to 100. This statement is well defined. It is a set. The second one, the collection of rich people in India. We can't define who is rich, who is poor. So it is not well defined. So it is not a set. Third one, the collection of all river in India. It is a set because it is well defined. The collection of good hockey players. It is not a set. This is not well. The second question, list the set of letters of the following words in roster form. The first one is India. Now you have to take the letters and you have to list out in the set. So describe the set in A. A is equal to I, N, D. I is already repeated. So A. This is the first answer. The second one, parallelogram. The set B is equal to P, A, R. A already wrote it. L. L already repeated. E, O, G. R already wrote it. A already repeated. M. The same method we use to solve the other sum. Next one. The third question, consider the following sets. A contains 0, 3, 5, 8. B contains 2, 4, 6, 10. C contains 12, 14, 18, 20. The first question, state whether true or false. The first question, 18 belongs to C. In a C set, have the element in 18. So it is true. The second one, 6 not belongs to A. This is the, it is true because 6 elements in not in A set. In third one, 14 not belongs to C. This statement is false because the C set contain the element in C. So this is false. In fourth question, 10 belongs to B. So B set contains the element 10. So this is true. In fifth one, 5 belongs to B. This is false because the element 5 is not contained the set in B. In sixth one, 0 belongs to B. In 0, element is not in B set. So this is false statement. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, 3 belongs to. The 3 element contains in A set. The first one is answer A. 14 belongs to. 14 elements contains in C set. So you write in C. In third one, 18 dash B. In 18 elements is not in B set. So it is not belongs to. In fourth one, 4 dash B. This 4 element in set B contains B. So it is belongs to. You write in. The next question. Fourth one. Represent the following sets in roster form. Roster form means list out the elements. So first question. A set is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Already we know the even natural number less than 20 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This one. This is the answer of A set. Then second one, B. B, Y. In Y set, Y is equal to 1 divided by 2n. That n belongs to natural numbers. That n less than or equal to 5. So we substitute n is equal to which one? Natural number start in 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. The second we substitute n is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 divided by 4. The next element we substitute n is equal to 3. We get y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 1 divided by 6. The fourth one we substitute n is equal to 4 in y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 4 is equal to 1 divided by 8. In n is equal to 5, we get y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 is equal to 1 divided by 10. This is the second answer. In third one, C contains x element such that x is a perfect cube. That cube is 27 less than x less than 216. So we have here perfect cube numbers. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216. So we have the number x in greater than 27, then less than 216. That number is between number 64. 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125. So C set is equal to, we get the answer 64 comma 125. In the fourth question, D set contains x elements. That x elements belongs to z. Z means integers. Already we know integers contains positive integers, 0 including negative numbers. So that numbers minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So minus 5 greater than x means minus 5 greater than number minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That's all. So D set have the elements in minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is fourth one answer. In the fifth question, represent the following sets in set builder form. Already we know set builder form means in listed by the some rules. First question, the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day internationals. This is starting the statement is the set of. This is descriptive form. We change into the set builder form. So the answer first one is contains X. That X is a set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day internationals. This is the first one. In second one, C set is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. This which type? This one is roster form because list out the elements. We change into the set builder form. So C set is equal to X such that n belongs to natural numbers. So that x equal to n divided by n plus 1. We substitute n 1, 2, 3. We get the answer is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. In third one, D equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. This is descriptive form. We change into the set builder form. So D set is equal to X such that X belongs to set of all Tamil months in a year. In fourth question, E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So E is equal to X such that X is an odd whole numbers and X less than 9. This is the fifth question answers. In sixth one, represent the following sets in descriptive form. Already we know descriptive form start with the set of. So the first one, P is equal to January, June, July. The answer P is equal to the set of all months beginning with the letter J. Second question, Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So the answer is Q set. Q is equal to the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. In third one, this type is set builder form. We change into the descriptive form. So R is equal to X. X belongs to such that X belongs to natural numbers X less than 5. Then R is equal to the set of natural numbers less than 5. This is third one answer. The fourth question, S is equal to X such that X is a constant in English alphabets. So S is equal to the set of constant in English alphabet. Always this descriptive form start with the letters the set of. This is the answer of the sixth question.